Hi everyone, I came with another video, some unboxing, and I'm small video might be, especially this is like a capacitor ESR tester meter, and this is you can see the model number. This particular model is MESR-100 ESR meter. This is the one. Okay, in this one some other models also, right? This particular model, uh, it will give only ESR value. It will won't give the what is the capacitor value. Just it will give the ESR range. Based on that only we can figure out that capacitor is good. Especially uh, this ESR meter is there, right? Especially when the capacitors are there, internally resistance will be there. If whichever the capacitors having the low ESR value, then those capacitors are very good for based on the applications, especially audio related amplifiers or audio circuits. The ESR value is very critical, which of the that's reason most of the audio amplifiers they use high-end capacitors in the terms like a low ESR value capacitors. Okay, if you see this box is comes with two alligator clips, and red and black you can clearly see, and again some documentation, MESR-100 V2 guide and everything. Okay, how we can use this everything. And if you connect this one, before that you can see this particular table. They clearly given based on the capacitor range. If the ESR value is uh, below this predefined values, then the capacitor is very good. In the display also we are getting the same kind of information. If you turn it on, you can see here. Yeah, this is the how the display. Basically this display is OLED display. um, and you can see the top, you can see the model number MESR-100 ESR meter, power button 0, mode range, and predefined table for identifying that. Basically this particular meter, right, it will run on two AAA batteries. And again this product also made in China, but especially this is design and everything is done in Dublin, Ireland. And I have some capacitor. Let's see. So this capacitor, if you see, it is a 25 ohms, 10,000 microfarad. And if you go to the brand, it's a SD CD100 kind of thing. Let's see whether this unused capacitor. Now you can see on the display, this particular capacitor has 0.070 or 69. Still the internal resistance value is decreasing. If you see, um, reference for 25 ohms C cap, good cap with the low ESR, that kind of statement you can see. But what is the capacitor value, this particular model it not offer. And if you need the details, I think we need to go to the another model from the this particular brand. And this particular ESR meter I bought it in Amazon, I think around 5,000 I guess. And basically I'm just a hobbyist for repairing my audio amplifiers. I bought this one. So as I explained earlier, the ESR value is very critical for audio amplifiers, capacitors, what they are used in those amplifiers. Okay, and if we try some other capacitors also, I have some capacitors. Let's see. uh, uh, this particular capacitor is 50 ohms, 200 micro ohms. Let's see ESR value for this one as well. These alligator clips are quality is very good, and if you see, we are getting ESR internal resistance value 0.212, and if the capacitor value is below 470 microfarad is good. Let's see, as per this one it's a 220 microfarad only, then we can consider good cap. We can try this one also. This is the super wave capacitors, 3300 microfarad, 50 volts. Negative terminal, positive terminal. Then if you see, this also very good capacitor, 0.015, good cap with low ESR. Third statement you can see. Thanks. I think that's it from this ESR capacitance meter. Thanks.